Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok violation of community guidelines. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok violation of community guidelines problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click here. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of TikTok and you will enter. Then in this page you should to go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, here you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.